Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. This is a Christmas message. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a great New Year, and thank you for the support that I've had through the past year and the past near on 3 years now that I've been doing the channel. Massive shout out to all the people that subscribe to the channel, the people who've been here from day one, every single one of you that likes a comment, I can't even get it out now, likes, comments, interacts, chats. You are what makes this channel what it is, and I just wanted to do a little message to basically say a massive thank you. It's 3 years in now. Every year I've sort of tried to hit 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers a year. This year we hit 30,000 subscribers a couple of months ago, so we're on 33,000 I think now, which is amazing. A massive, and I still haven't done the giveaway. I will promise I will do the giveaway in the new year. I've got all the stuff for it, I just haven't had time. We've got a couple more videos to go out between Christmas and New Year, but I just wanted to drop on now just to say a thank you to everybody who gets involved with the channel, and all the people that I've met along the way as well, the people who come up to me at shows and say hello and have a chat with me, and the people that message me, the apprentices that message me saying that the channel and what I show, the actual real world plumbing side of it, it's not specifically boilers, it's not specifically bathrooms, it's everything. And it's, you know, going to the merchants and showing you when it goes right, when it goes wrong. You know the crack, you know what the channel's all about. But without you lot, it wouldn't have got to the point it is now. And also the people and the companies that got involved. You know, I've been sponsored by Unilite for a good couple of years now. I'm sponsored by Vito Pro Pack Bags, big shout out to them. And also the other companies, Rhino Trade Insurance, Snug Underfloor Heating, you know, all the companies that help me to be able to make the content that I put out. Yeah, so it's just basically a quick message to say thank you. We've got loads coming in the new year. I've had some exciting news. Some of you may know I helped to fill in for PB Plumber on the Trade Legends podcast when he can't do it, when he's out running marathons or whatever. And I've absolutely loved doing the podcast with the team at Unilite and the Trade Legends team. Unfortunately, Pete's stepping down from doing the podcast, and Al has asked me to be the main host, the main co-host on there. So that is a massive, for me, a massive thing. I love listening to podcasts. I love doing the Trade Legends podcast, chatting with people. So for me to be asked to be the actual main host along with Al on the channel, that has made my Christmas, to be honest, because I'm really passionate about that side of stuff. So if you haven't already got subscribed to the Trade Legends podcast, all the links, I will put all the links down below. It's basically a trade podcast where we get plumbers, electricians, carpenters, roofers, lead work, everyone in the trade. We get on there, we find out where they've come from, a bit of a backstory, how they got into the trade and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's a good listen. But again, that's opened doors up for me as well. That I really do enjoy meeting people and doing what I get to do. Also, the Real World Plumbing caps and merch. That was just an idea this year that I thought, you know, the whole channel is synonymous with Real World Plumbing. I've always said from day one, this channel is Real World Plumbing. And then I had some t-shirts made up that I wore myself, Real World Plumbing. Then people were asking, you know, oh, can I buy them? So I thought, let's see if there's any legs in it. So I've had the caps done. I'm on the second batch of caps now, and they're very nearly sold out. So if you want a cap, drop me a comment on Instagram, drop me a message on Instagram, and that's where I sort of send them out from. It's easy to keep track of them. So yeah, they're flying out. They're near enough sold out, the latest batch that I've got. So Real World Plumbing caps, hoodies, t-shirts. You know, if it's your thing, fine. If it's not, then fair enough. But I just enjoy seeing something that has come from the channel, the Real World Plumbing motto, if you like, slogan, or whatever you want to call it, is synonymous with me now, and the colours and everything. So massive shout out to everyone that's bought all those as well. So yeah, this is just a thank you message, really. Have a great Christmas, have a great New Year. We've got plenty coming in the new year. Have a great time, spend it with your family. I will try and put a couple of videos out over Christmas. I've got them ready. If not, I'll be spending time with the family, so they'll be out in the new year. So yeah, massive thank you. The sun's now dropped while I've been recording this, so it's right in my eyes. So yeah, massive thank you. Have a great Christmas, have a brilliant new year, and I will catch you, if not before, in 2024, where we're going to smash it again and send the channel even higher. So have a great break, have a great holiday, have a nice rest. Don't drink too much, don't eat too much. And if you do, sod it, it's Christmas. So yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody.